Hello there guys, it's me 5756 here and I've got an antique padlock to show you. That's right, it's my old Yale padlock. Now, just to see, used to have two of these, but one of his became lost at sea. And I've got one too. Now, I've got a cold, so excuse the sniffles. So sorry about the sniffles guys, but I've got a cold, so yeah, there it says made in England. You can tell this is an antique Yale padlock because it is made, I think this might be made out of lead, so I'm not sure though. You can tell it's got the old Yale logo. You will not see a lock like this today. I guarantee it looks very different to what's... It has a lot of use on my Nana Pop's sheds. This used to have a seized up shackle, but Pops unseized it up, if that's a word. You know what I mean. Anyway, the key, it looks like it has newer Yale logo, so this might be a replacement key. So yeah, look at that logo. That looks like a modern Yale padlock logo. Here's your key. The code on this is DC860. So yeah, let's unlock this lock. Put the key in. Also, this lock is very, very old, so yeah. Well, let's unlock it. It's quieter than some of my other locks. It's a bit stiff at times as well. So yeah. I don't know if you can see in there, but there is a locking lever. I don't know if you can see the locking lever though. This lock, it's very well built, and it's got a stiff shackle at times. Like I said, this is a very, very old padlock. That was awesome. Let's unlock it a few more times.